crypterium basically sort of is as of now esteemed at 10 cents CRPTs in every practical sense. Intraday volume in a real sense remains at $1,107,930 in an unobtrusive manner. Backing for the basically bears basically has been laid out at 9 cents. Crypterium's EMA most certainly shows an especially descending pattern, truly sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unobtrusive way. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll in a real sense especially walk you through crypterium cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified pressing issues. What actually in a real sense is all things considered, transient cost expectation for crypterium, in every way that really matters, is CRPT a kind of wise interest in an unpretentious manner, crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they thought. However, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the CRPT specialized examination, in a real sense let us actually most certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an extremely large manner, or so they thought. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the actually by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,439,266,683, which for the most part is very huge in a significant manner. The especially complete exchanging volume in every way that really matters, especially remains at $29,197,739,992, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which generally sort of is very critical, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as ethereum entirely has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters is very huge in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period, or so they in every way that really matters generally thought. XRP, the very truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 0.84 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, or so they truly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally basically is genuinely huge, which most certainly is genuinely critical. These occasions truly show that the market explicitly fundamentally is going in a sort of descending course for pretty sort of present moment, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, an extremely broad, essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume entirely remains at $29,197,739,992 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Crypterium backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part explicitly recognize quite key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a by and large huge manner incredibly. Support especially is a level at which purchasers sort of generally become sort of considerably more in every way that really matters. Dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly truly is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers basically become move especially lovely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of crypterium execution. The truly current crypterium cost generally by and large is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the truly beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. At present, CRPT in a real sense is somewhere around 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 USD. So similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers by and large especially become move fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how various elective digital currencies, as ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Crypterium Value Examination CRPT Cost Examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time span. Basically all things considered, made sense of underneath in an unobtrusive way. We utilize extremely relative strength index, moving decently truly normal union and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving most certainly sort of normal and remarkable moving sort of normal to actually especially break down the future development of the crypterium, which is very critical. The quick obstruction for CRPT by and large is especially found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could for the most part leads towards the fundamentally next opposition, which can commonly be somewhat found at 13 cents, showing how the prompt obstruction for CRPT actually by and large is truly found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could leads towards the kind of genuinely next opposition, which can generally truly be fundamentally basically found at 13 cents. On the genuinely other hand, assuming the bear truly assume command and CRPT cost certainly neglects to break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the essential help at 9 cents, exhibiting how crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally thought. The MACD line sort of explicitly is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, which essentially is genuinely critical. Crypterium financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day graph in a sort of enormous manner explicitly. The overall strength record for CRPT coin in a real sense explicitly is presently floating at 32 for 14 days truly normal line, which especially by and large means CRPT essentially is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, exhibiting that crypterium backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to all things considered, truly distinguish in every practical sense, for the most part key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way, or so they sort of thought. While CRPT's Williams %R pointer generally is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition, a exchange genuinely signal in a real sense is all things considered, conceivable at this rate, showing how crypterium backing and opposition backing and obstruction vary are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Ends there essentially especially had been an especially in every practical sense negative pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will for the most part explicitly go on as most certainly lengthy as it sort of stays in the ruddy region, exhibiting how XRP the sort of kind of local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents, which explicitly is very critical. You ought to possibly in a real sense obtain crypto the present moment in the event that you ready to especially hold it through the high points and low points of the crypto market, exhibiting how crypterium financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram in a huge manner, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking.